The investment in infrastructure systems and product processing in agriculture of harsh countries. In many harsh climates, agriculture is a challenging industry due to factors such as extreme weather conditions, poor soil quality, and limited access to water. However, despite these challenges, agriculture remains a crucial part of the economy for many countries. In order to make agriculture viable in these regions, there is a need to invest in infrastructure and processing facilities. In this essay, we will explore the importance of investing in infrastructure and processing facilities in agriculture, particularly in harsh climates. Infrastructure in harsh climates. One of the biggest challenges of agriculture in harsh climates is the lack of infrastructure. This includes roads, bridges, and irrigation systems. Without these basic infrastructures, it is difficult for farmers to transport their products to market and access essential resources like water. This can lead to low crop yields and can make it challenging for farmers to make a living. In order to address this issue, it is crucial to invest in infrastructure. This includes building new roads, improving existing infrastructure, and developing irrigation systems. By doing so, farmers will have better access to resources, and they will be able to transport their products to market more easily. This will not only increase crop yields but will also lead to economic growth in the region. Processing facilities in harsh climates. Another challenge of agriculture in harsh climates is the lack of processing facilities. This includes facilities for drying, storing, and packaging products. Without these facilities, farmers may struggle to preserve their products, and they may be forced to sell them at a lower price or even discard them. Investing in processing facilities can help address this issue. By building new facilities or improving existing ones, farmers will be able to preserve their products and sell them for a higher price. This will not only increase their income but will also lead to economic growth in the region. In addition, processing facilities can also help create jobs in the region. This is particularly important in areas where unemployment is high. By investing in processing facilities, governments can create jobs and improve the standard of living for people in the region. Challenges of investing in infrastructure and processing facilities. While investing in infrastructure and processing facilities is essential for agriculture in harsh climates, there are some challenges that must be addressed. One of the biggest challenges is funding. Building new infrastructure and facilities can be expensive, and governments may not have the resources to invest in these projects. In order to address